Hi, I'm Mike Agerbo, and I'm here to tell you what's new in Windows 8. Windows 8 is finally here, and it's definitely worth the wait. It's easier, faster, and it's got a consistent user experience across all your different devices, from laptops to desktops to mobile devices like phones and tablets. So whether you're using it at home, for business, or maybe you're even a student, there's a lot of great features that you'll want to check out. It's super intuitive, and everything you need is literally at your fingertips. Let's take a look at some of the new features, starting with connectivity. You know, touch interfaces and monitors are literally everywhere now, making Windows 8 an easy and really user-friendly way to navigate our PCs. And although things have changed, you'll still find a lot of familiar features, things like the Windows Explorer, the desktop, and even taskbar. And although it is a touch interface, you can still use the good old mouse. Windows has something called hot corners that give you easy access to all the menus. You can also personalize and make the desktop your own. And this is a really familiar feature if you've used Windows 7 before. And with user interface elements such as the Charms bar, it really extends the functionality of the desktop as we know it. You can change things like the desktop image, colors, and even manage your password. This next feature is one of my favorites, and it's called File History. I think we've all been there. We've either lost a file or it's been damaged beyond repair. Don't have to worry about that anymore. And this was actually a feature available in Windows 7 and now very prominent in Windows 8. With File History, Windows 8 can automatically back up things like your libraries, desktop contacts, and even favorites to a secondary drive, so you don't have to worry about losing them. The nice thing is you can even use a USB flash disk. Simply select Configure this drive for backup using File History off of the menu when you plug it in. And Windows 8 allows you to create a picture password where you can choose an image, then draw on it in a combination of taps, lines, and circles. And only someone who can reproduce the pattern will be able to log on. Okay, and now let's talk about something that no one wants to talk about: disaster recovery. You know, some people do have issues with the operating system at one point or another. And you know, sometimes the usual path would be a full reinstallation. That hasn't changed, but Windows 8 makes it so much easier with pre-built options that allows for factory resets with the click of a button, or the refresh option, which clears all third-party apps and returns it to factory settings, but leaves your files intact. As you can see, there's a lot of exciting and new features in Windows 8. And you know what? You really got to test drive it for yourself. Come down to one of the Staples stores and check it out on one of the laptops or desktop PCs. For Staples Tech TV, I'm Mike Agerbo. Thanks for watching.